Good morning, class 9. Welcome to the third part of chapter Physical Features of India. In the part 2, we studied about the Himalayan mountains and the northern plain. In this part, we are going to study about Peninsular Plateau and the Great Indian Deserts. So let's start. Let's take the Peninsular Plateau first. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of Gondwana land. One of the distinct features of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area known as Deccan Trap. This plateau consists of two divisions, the Central Highlands, the part of Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of Narmada River, covering a major area of Malwa Plateau, is known as Central Highlands. The eastward extensions of this plateau are locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. The Deccan Plateau, it is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of river Narmada. An extension of plateau is also visible in the northeast, which is known as Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong Plateau and North Kachar Hills. The Peninsular Plateau. The Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats mark the western and eastern edges of Deccan Plateau respectively. Now let us do a comparative study on Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Western Ghats lies parallel to the western coast. The Eastern Ghats stretch from the Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiris in the south. Western Ghats are continuous and can be crossed through passes only. Eastern Ghats are discontinuous and irregular. They can be dissected by rivers draining into Bay of Bengal. Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. Their average elevation is 900 to 1600 meters. Eastern Ghats average elevation is 600 meters. Anamudi is the highest peak in the Western Ghat. Mahendragiri is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. Now let us talk about Indian desert. The Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. It is sandy plain covered with sand dunes. The region receives very low rainfall below 150 mm per year. It has a dry climate and low vegetation cover. Luni is the only large river in this region. Burchans cover larger area, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. This brings us to the end of this video. In this video, we studied about the Peninsular Plateau and the Indian Desert. In the next part, I will be telling you about the coastal plains and the island. Thank you and stay home and stay safe.